Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Visona with tools like Gmail, Notion, Google Drive, Slack, and many more. It's incredibly simple and quick, and it can help speed up your workflow. No more switching tabs, no more logging in again and again. All you need to do is simply connect. First, go to the Visona website at visona.me and log in to your account. Then, click on your account icon at the top right corner and select Integrations. On this page, you'll see a short description explaining how tool integrations work and how to use them. Below that, you'll find a list of tools that can be connected to Visona, such as Gmail, Slack, Discord, and many more. To connect a tool, simply click the Connect button on the tool you want, then log in with your account for that service. And that's it. Visona will automatically connect to your tool in just a few seconds. Now, let me show you the power of these integrations. I'll open AI Chat and type the prompt. Pull the latest 3 unread emails and summarize them into a sticky note. Then press Enter. And just like that, Visona accesses your Gmail, retrieves the information, and presents it clearly on your canvas, exactly based on your request. So why keep switching tabs over and over again? It's time to try a more modern way of working. Head over to visona.me and experience Visona for yourself.